How to use Cartridge Cleaner. In this video, we will use the example of Leslie's Cartridge Cleaner Enhancer. Leslie's Cartridge Cleaner is a blend of cleaning agents and degreasers specially formulated to penetrate deeply into any reusable cartridge filter and remove the accumulated materials such as suntan lotion or oil, body oil, grease, dirt, soap scum and other organics. This thorough cleaning allows cartridges to be reused many times. Leslie's Cartridge Cleaner will not harm any filter cartridges. Usage directions. Dosage. Mix 4 ounces per gallon of water and soak cartridge overnight. We recommend you to use 4 ounces per gallon. Typically, cartridge filters need to be cleaned every 2 to 6 weeks. One of the most important factors that affect a cartridge filter operating effectively is that there not be too much flow through the filter. Too much flow significantly decreases the cartridge life and lowers the efficiency of the filter. Useful tips. There are ways to tell if the swimming pool filter is bad. If the water turns cloudy, then you know that your filter is not functioning properly. Leaking multi-port valves, broken or bad laterals, valve failure, tank failure, and pressure issues are some of the other indicators that the pool filter is bad. Thank you, I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.